Hi everyone, and today we are going to learn how we can install Visual Studio Code Editor. So simple, right here, code Visual Studio Code Editor and press the enter button. So in result you will get here the website code.visualstudio.com. So now click on this. Visual Studio Code Editor is open source AI code editor. So if you want to download directly from Windows machine, just click here. Otherwise, go to the download and here you can find the difference for different operating system. So if you have a Mac machine, download this one. If you have Ubuntu, Fedora and so on, then download this one. But I have a Windows machine, so I am going to download this one. So I have already download file. When you download, so when the download is complete, then go to the file, this one, and then right click here and run as an administrator. And then simple click on the yes button, then OK, and then I accept the agreement, simple next, and specify the location where you want to install your Microsoft Visual Studio Code Editor. So now click the next button. Here is the Visual Studio Code name. Next, here if you want to create a shortcut on your desktop, then check this one. Add open with code action window explore for context menu. So these are the different shortcuts. If you want, you can check this, but you need to these two check must. The registered code has a code editor for support file type, and here is the path. Add to path required shell restart. Okay, so you must to check this, add to path. Then next, and simple click on install button, and now wait for complete this process. Here are extracting all the file, then after the extracting, then one by one file will be installed. So now wait for completing this process. So now this process is complete. If you want to, when you click on this finish button and this checkbox is checked, it means when you click the finish, the Visual Studio Code will be launched, means will be open and ready for the coding. So I'm going to uncheck this and then finish, and then go to the window menu, and here you can find your Visual Studio Code. So now I'm going to right click here and then more and then pin to taskbar. So now see here, here is the shortcut of this Visual Studio Code. So I'm going to click here. Once I click, Visual Studio Code Editor is ready. So if you want to install some extensions, so then the shortcut is Control Shift and then X. So now that's open, and install any extension from here if you want. If you like my videos, kindly like, subscribe and share.